Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2020 Arctic Fox built Northwood out of La Grande, Oregon. Model number is a 295K. Let's go inside and take a peek. So this particular model is two slides. You got your living room slide, you got a bedroom slide, you got your rear kitchen. This is a great floor plan. You got your double refrigerator, double freezer, storage above, storage below. You got a nice counter for the rear kitchen. Got big BTUs burner, glass oven, convection microwave, double stainless steel sinks right there. This little droplet here is for a garbage. You put your garbage down there. There's a little side entrance. You got nice cabinets, storage. So you got pretty good storage in here. Big storage area there. You also got a spot on top for stuff, but you got this whole sidewall's got storage, which is pretty cool. You got your table and chairs right here. This lifts up. You got storage underneath there. You got thermal pane windows, big windows all the way around. It's got your Thomas Paine furniture. More storage above there. You got your little reading lights here. These actually have a massage, electric, recliners. Then over here you got your rockers, recliner rockers. Storage there. You got your day and night shades. You got a fantastic fan above us, LED lighting, AC, skylight. Got your big TV with fireplace, built-in DVD player right there, stereo system. More storage above us. This is on a swivel bracket, comes out and swivels. Here's your control panel. Generator prepped, so if you ever want to add a generator to this, you could. It's got a solar panel up on top, so pre-charge the batteries. More storage there. You got a little coat closet there. So you got a nice little grab rail going up into the bedroom. So this one's got a corner shower right there with a separate sink. You got your nice big king bed right here. Cedar lined closet in the front. You got lots of room up here, storage on the sides. That's your other slide. You got your skylight, LEDs above us. Little window here that opens up for vent. You got a little storage there to keep some shoes in. Built-in dresser. Place for your TV right here. So storage also under the bed. But a lot of room in this if you're trying to keep, downsize, not too big for a fifth wheel. This is kind of a good combination. Here's your separate toilet in here with, you got storage, lots of storage, towels and whatnot in there. And then you got your sink, you got storage, and then of course right there, got a little lighted mirror here. But a lot of room. I mean, big shower, corner shower. You got tons of room for, a big guy can get in here. It's not a big issue. So you got lots of room. Big tall guy can fit in there pretty good. So good floor plan. Nice open, smaller. So let's go outside and take a peek outside. So you got the big grab handle going out. This got the new step. These are solid step, just lifts up into the trailer, but they're solid. You got a electric awning with outdoor speakers, LED lights. You got storage compartment in there. You got access to some plumbing in there. Storage compartment here that goes all the way through. Nice big roomy. You got a cable ready for a TV if you want to put a TV outside too. So kind of cool. Propane tanks there on the same side here. They got the big tanks in it. So like I said, it's generator prepped, so you could actually put a generator. Goes in here. You got a fiberglass cap in the front with LED lighting in there, LED strips. On this side is your batteries. Also, you can do an external pre-wire to the batteries if you want to do a little solar panel, put on the ground. This is your control panel here for your, it's got auto leveling jacks, just push button. Right here it auto levels itself. Here's all your controls for your water, sewer, flush system. Here's your disconnect. So winterize it all. It's right there enclosed. It's a 4 Seasons trailer, so it's really well insulated. You can see the jacks right here. So you've got 6 jacks. In the back, you've got your little fiberglass cap on the back. With the ladder getting up on the roof, you got it pre-wired for backup camera. So if you're looking for something not too big, the fifth wheel, you know, you don't want, somebody wants to stay 34, 35 footer. It's a nice size for that. So come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.